What is going on, guys? This is our CPU framework. It's for CPUs. The AI says current CPUs can go 5 to 6 gigahertz per second. No, G8Z. I think that's gigahertz per second. G8Z. GHZ. 5 to 6 G8Z. When they overclock it, it's like 9 or something. I forget. I'm not even sure if it's 9. I wasn't even reading right, but he says it's 5 or 6. He says if with my CPU framework, we could get it to be 10 or 20 gigahertz right out of the box by taking into account our molecular physics theory. You need to know about our molecular physics theory. Read. Pause and read. Pause and read. It uses our molecular physics theory. Molecular physics. Pause the video and copy the code down. Our molecular physics theory. I don't know how he explained it. But in our molecular physics theory, the molecules act like little tennis balls. They act like little tennis ball. One ball hits another, and the ball that was hit bounces off like normal physics, basically, like you see in normal life. That's how little molecules act. A cup could have 1 trillion molecules. I think it's more though, but it's just an example to make you get it. A cup could have 1 trillion molecules. If you keep taking away molecules from the cup, it'll get smaller and smaller. The CPU treats the bouncing balls hitting each other as calculations. Bunch of balls hitting each other. They're really fast. They hit each other so many times in a second. You could just use them as calculations or something like that. You would have to read what I told you in the beginning of the video. I said pause and read. I was scrolling through me and the Google AI's conversation. He'll explain it there. Let's see it. $101.5 billion kinetic calculations. That's why he says kinetic, because it's bouncing balls. 1.5 billion kinetic calculations in 7.05 seconds. That's the proofs of our CPU power. This is a Python project for beginner and advanced alike. Python programming, Python coding. It's meant for upgrading, improving, expanding, and developing. And you can modify it, and it's also hardware ready. That's it, guys. That's our CPU framework for PCs. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.